In this video, I'm going to teach you how to get Capitec confirmation letter. In order to do that, make sure to open first your Capitec app or your browser wherein you're actually logged in or signed up into your Capitec. Select your account from the home screen and tap on the account which you need the confirmation letter. From in there, you can actually just choose to send the account details and just select the email option and enter your email address and tap on the send. So this will confirm your action to send a confirmation letter from your account into your email. So with this, you can actually head over to your Capitec right there and you can actually download the Capitec app, just choosing here your account and then request right there your actual option to get your confirmation letter on Capitec. So Capitec has a lot of options right here. You can open an account, you can get in touch with them as well or contact them in order to get your confirmation letter in person or through call. So that's all there is today and I hope this video helped you out.